I just built this entire app in less than an hour. And this is the kind of app that you can sell to local businesses. And right now, there's an AI that builds entire online businesses for you, basically at the click of a button. It's called Abacus AI. Real apps, real websites, and products that you can hand to a local business or even put on the App Store. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works and how you can start building apps and possibly selling them to local businesses, putting your services on different websites and approaching different businesses. But before we get into the video, if you want to stay up to date in the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, and how to make money from them as well, I run a completely free newsletter designed for normal people to make sense of the crazy AI world and how to profit from it as well. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description right now to join completely for free. Let's get into it. Okay, so here we are at the Deep Agent section of Abacus AI. Now, let me show you what I'm going to build. Imagine that you live in a normal town somewhere in America or anywhere in the world. There's a construction company down the street. The owner is, let's say he's in his 60s. He's got 15 guys working for him. And every single Friday, he's sitting at his kitchen table with a stack of paper timesheets, trying to figure out who showed up, which day, who took time off, who's owed for what payroll. It's crazy. I know people are still using pen and paper to keep track of things like this. That right there is a real business problem. That guy will pay good money to make that go away. It's a simple problem. And the people who solve simple problems are the ones who can create entire businesses around it. So watch this. I'm going to this section here, Abacus AI. I'm going to click on Agent here. And I'm going to type one sentence. Build me an app for a construction company that lets the owner track which workers showed up each day, who's on vacation, and how much each person is owed for payroll. I want a website for the owner and a phone app for the workers to clock in and out. Ooh, wow. Okay, this is getting deep. Deep Agent. And that's it, guys. That's the whole prompt. Watch what happens. 20 minutes later, and our app is done. Let's actually check it out. So it's giving us the email here. And it's giving us our password. So let's copy the password. We're going to click on the live link. This is already live, guys. This is good to go. 20 minutes later from a single text prompt, and it built us an entire app. Now, I'm seeing this for the first time as well. So let's review it together. Like the colors, like the theme. User interface looks pretty solid. It's called Build Crew Manager. Cool logo. Email's already in. Let's go. Enter the password. We're going to sign in. Whoa, look at this, guys. Workers. So I put placeholders here for us. This is just an example. Attendance, vacation, payroll. Absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. So obviously this is just an example, but if somebody wants a vacation, they go through the app here and then the boss looks at it and they either deny or approve. James has been working hard. Let's approve it. Carlos has been slacking off. So we're going to deny that.
Why are you always hating on Carlos?
But you get the point, guys. Abacus AI built us an entire app in less than 20 minutes. And you can sell this to anybody you want. Construction companies, dentists, lawyers, gyms, coaches, you name it, guys. This is just a small example of what's possible inside of Abacus AI with agents that build you entire apps in no time. Okay, so the website for the boss is already set. This is where he checks the overview, his workers, attendance, vacation, and payroll. Now, let's build out the mobile app for the employees. We're going to go ahead and click Create. Here's the app that all of the construction worker employees get. So they have their own personal PIN. When they enter inside of the app, they can clock in and the timer starts for their shift. Employees can track their hours of work. They can track how much they're going to get paid at the end of the week. They can request vacation time off, anything that they want. They can even talk to the boss inside of the app. And in this case, this app is meant for our fictional character, Carlos Martinez. And Carlos says, I need a beer and I need a vacation, boss. Very, very cool. We literally built an app for a construction business in less than 20 minutes. This type of app goes for anywhere from $500 to $5,000 on websites like Fiverr and Upwork. Let's do another app just for fun. So let's say that we want a personal finance app where we can track our spending, our savings, and get smart advice on where we're wasting money. So let's paste this prompt here. Build me a personal finance app where somebody can track their spending, set savings goals, get smart advice on where they're wasting money, and see beautiful charts of their progress. I want a web version and a phone app version. I want it to look modern with a clean teal to blue gradient design, not purple. I'm sick of purple. Cool. And that's all we do, guys. It's a single prompt. And then we click run. Here is the application that it built us in less than 20 minutes. It's called FinWave. Ride the wave of smarter spending. Look at what it has, guys. Let's scroll down. So this month, these are just placeholders, but it gives us an example of what this app is capable of. This month, this is what we spent. Last 30 days, last 7 days, we have 4 active goals. Scrolling down. By category, it shows us where our money flows. There's spending trends here. Scrolling down, we have bills, food, transportation, entertainment, more bills, shopping. Here are the goals: emergency fund, laptop. And we can come up to this, add transaction. Let's say we want to put 56.90 category. Let's do entertainment, the date, add transaction. Look at this, guys. So cool. We can use this personally, or we can sell it to a local business or anybody. We can sell it to our neighbor if we want. And later in the video, I'm going to show you powerful ways to start earning with Abacus AI today. It not only created us a website, it created us a mobile app as well. Watch this. Same thing as the construction app. Lots of cool features, streamlined user interface, easy to use, easy to see, modern and sleek and up to date. Perfect. Beautiful graphs, something that we can sell or we can use ourselves. Okay, let me show you how to start a business with this, a full AI business. In 2026, guys, there's no more excuses to not quit your job, to not live the life of your dreams, to not start your own business and become an entrepreneur. It's so easy. The barrier to entry has virtually disappeared. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm going to show you a few ways to start making money with this and create an AI business or an online business in general. But first, this is what I want you to do. I want you to go to Fiverr and I want you to type in app building or application building. I want to show you how much these people charge. And I'm gonna tell you here in a second why this is so important and how you can differentiate from these people. These people, Hasib, he charges from $200. Code Cross, he charges anywhere from $400. Scrolling down, you can see the crazy amount of money that these people charge. There's 8,000, there's 2,500, there's 2,000. And this is for the base package. Let's click into this. Basic is 8,000, standard 12,500, premium 20,000. Now look at his reviews. He has 11 reviews, which means that minimum 100 people have already worked with him. If he's doing applications for 100 people and he's charging an average price around 10,000, yeah, that's you can probably do the math there. So going back and scrolling down, 1,750 base price, 200 base price, 6,000 base price. Let's click into this guy here. So he's charging 6,000. But here's the difference between you and him and every other person on Fiverr or Upwork. We just built a complete full working website. Not only a website, we built a mobile app in less than 20 minutes. Look at his delivery time, 45-day delivery. Businesses don't have time to wait that. In 2026, in the day of TikTok and email, Netflix and Uber and DoorDash and Priority, everything. Nobody has time to wait 45 days for delivery. Again, we just built a complete working app in less than 20 minutes. So within a day, even within an hour, you can have a full working app and charge people for it, guys. And this is what I want you to do. This is the first step that I want you to take. I want you to go on Fiverr. And listen, let me just preface by saying this. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is not. You have to work hard. You have to be dedicated, motivated, and you have to actually want to be your own boss and start your own business. This is how it starts, because if you don't like what you're doing and you're not dedicated, you're not going to succeed here. First step that I want you to take is I want you to go to Fiverr, sign up to Fiverr. It's completely free, and post your service here. Start at $500 and start with a 2-day delivery. Now, all of these people, they're charging 500, 900, 3,000, 4,000, 20,000. And look at their delivery times, guys. 30-day delivery, he's charging 2,000 for a minimum viable product. Not only are you making minimal viable products, you're making complete apps with everything, the payment processor, the ins and outs, the coding, just everything, the database. Premium, 5,000, 30-day delivery. Go to Fiverr, set up an account, put your service out there. Start at $500 and say you can deliver a full working app in less than 2 days. Worst thing that can happen is maybe you get 1 to 2 clients per month and you make an extra 1,000, an extra 4,000 per month. The best, I just can't even talk straight. I get so excited. It's 2026 and it's 2026. Normal people can win. Normal everyday people can win. Best thing that can happen is you start a full AI business. And click on the link in the description below to try this out, guys. I'm so excited. I'm so excited when I talk about this because in the 1990s, this wasn't possible. In the early 2000s, even 5 years ago, this wasn't possible. But in 2026, it's absolutely possible. Look at these people. $800 for a basic package, 14-day delivery, standard $1,800, premium $4,500, 60-day delivery. Come on. I mean, I'm sure this guy is worth it, but most of these people are coding by hand. They have no idea that platforms like Abacus AI exist, guys. You saw me building a personal finance app. It took me 20 minutes. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to go to Facebook and instead of personal finance app, you can build something niche of a niche. And I think this is where people succeed the most is when they don't go wide. They don't catch a wide net, but they're a big fish in a small pond. So let's say we want to target nurses. Oh, God bless nurses. My mother was a nurse. Respect the heck out of you guys. Okay, let's click on nurses. We're going to go to groups. Now, instead of building a personal finance app, you build a personal finance app for nurses. And look at this, guys. 143,000 members, 70 posts a day. 270,000 members, 90 posts a day. 171,009. These groups are super, super active. Now, what you do is you go into these groups, you give value, you show them what you built as an example, and people will DM you. You don't have to be the salesman. You don't have to sell and just be that cringe person. Just go in these groups, engage with people. Eventually, people will start DMing you, ask you how you built the app, how it can help them, what do you charge, etc., etc. I know people making full-time livings doing this on Facebook. And again, guys, this is not get rich quick. It never was. You have to be in here. You have to give value. You have to put yourself out there, give massive amounts of value. People will start DMing you. So you can build a personal finance app for nurses and market it in nursing Facebook groups. And then you can build a personal finance app for, let's do truckers. God bless truckers as well. Truckers are the backbone of any country. I love me some truckers. I was a trucker, believe it or not. Weird story, long story. Who cares? So look at this, guys. Trucks and truckers, 500,000 members, 30 posts a day. 360,000 members, 90 posts a day, 90 posts, 40, 60. These groups are super, super active. You can market these to truckers, trucker forums, trucker groups, wherever. Each version takes you 20 minutes to build. Each one targets a tiny audience and nobody else is serving. And you stack them over and over. And by the way, the thing about truckers is a lot of them are, you might not know this about truckers, but a lot of them have a lot of money. You know, truckers get paid so much money depending on how long they've been with the company, if they have their own company, et cetera, et cetera. And the majority of the time, they don't spend money on anything. They're on the road 14 hours a day. They're rarely home. And truckers are such a great niche. It's such a great niche, these men and women. But you get the point, guys. We built out 2 applications in less than an hour. Look at these professional applications, not only on websites, but on mobile as well. It's crazy what you can do with Abacus AI. It's absolutely crazy. You don't have to be technical. You don't have to know anything about coding, anything. Abacus AI literally took 100% of the work that would have costed you $20,000 to do with a developer and a whole team and back and forth and this and that. And it created an app in less than 20 minutes, 2 apps in less than an hour. Sometimes I stutter because I get so excited and I'm so passionate about teaching normal people how to make money, how to take advantage of AI in general in order to make their lives better and the lives of their family better as well. Alrighty, guys. Hope you liked the video. Click on the link in the description below to try out Abacus AI. It's totally worth it. There's nothing but love between me and Abacus AI, and I love their company so much. I love what they're doing, and I think normal people can win with Abacus AI. Abacus AI is literally the Iron Man suit for normal people. Normal people can step into Abacus and build applications and games and websites and just you name it. It's possible with this website. Click on the link in the description below. And also, if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, and how to make money for them as well, I run a completely free newsletter designed for non-technical people to make sense of the crazy AI world and how to profit from it as well. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description right now to join completely for free. Alrighty, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.